Let's read one of these. It says, for all these problems down here, find the values of theta in degrees and radians without the aid of a calculator. So not using a calculator, do you guys know what theta is? Or I'm sorry, I should say what it could be. It could be 30 degrees, which would be the same as pi over 6. Okay, there's another one. There's another angle that would give you 1/2. I think it's really easy for me to explain it to you guys if you're seeing part of the unit circle. Oh yeah, look at that perfect circle. Okay, so at 30 degrees, we have a height of 1/2. So the y value is 1/2. Where else will you have a height of 1/2? Well, right over here, wouldn't you? Okay, so 1/2 would be there. So what is this angle? 150 degrees or 5 pi over 6. Okay, so that's all you're doing for this. Now this one's kind of weird because it says cosecant theta equals 2. And how often do you work with cosecant theta? Let's just get rid of them. Shall we? We shall. Let's do not cosine. What's the reciprocal to cosecant? Sine theta. So what does sine theta equal? 1/2. Oh, hey, the answers are the same right here. You see that? This is the same as that.
Oh, whoa.
So those are the two angles that would give you 2 for cosecant theta.